Okay, guys, the Y pipe is finally here, boys. It is here. So, guys, we're gonna go unbox this thing, but now we have the full exhaust, and we might even just put it on today for you guys. We got to get this thing tuned as soon as possible.
But I don't care how damn I ever was in my fucking life.
Be on the judge, bro.
I'm like, I just seen it broken. I'm like, who the fuck threw the wrench in there? It was one of my favorite
You
styles.
gotta do some shit like that.
Great.
Shit, on there, man. Is that? Show them the money, John.
Yeah, you see that money, John?
They seen the sneak peek, it ain't.
Ready?
Wank, wank.
What's that?
Nah, that joint hard though,
Bro,
bro.
like turn a little
Show 'em
bit.
the
AK on.
Yeah.
Alright, guys, we got TJ banging, pulling up. You on the cloud, Doug? Finally, I got the last piece to completing my full exhaust, guys. I'm so hyped to finally get this car tuned and share this experience with you guys. I really hope you enjoy this. Alright, you guys, this is how it sounds before. The stock muffler, resonator delete, and headers. We're about to put this ISR on. It's all loaded up in the G. We're headed to the shop right now. The exhaust sitting right here, you guys. The G up on the lift. We're gonna see what it do, cause this shit looks like a bitch to take off. Then we go and install it and see how easy this job is gonna be. Oh, where we at, man? We here. I told y'all we getting it in, man. TJ starting on the Y pipe, and then we gonna get this thing moving. Sleeper tuning. How much would he charge us for this thing?
There we go.
That's why we doing it, baby.
I love CT. They're doing shit for free.
It's all right, brother. We got this thing on.
What we got going on there? TJ just installed the whole new ISR. Brand new 3-inch all the way through with resonator, fucking Y, back all the way, bro. Fucking exhaust, man. Yeah, what's up? Yeah, you know how we be, man. We be fucking thugging. He's sipping and shit. Yo, look, listen, we got the ISR performance. TJ just did all this shit, you know.
Well, we both worked. Actually, a lot of people worked on it. You can see in the time. You can see in the time lapse, bro. There's a lot of people.
Yeah, you can see. And TJ did the resonator 3-inch.
Nah, but it's clean, y'all.
It's clean as hell. I just don't mean. Yeah,
He thinks he did all the work, but he's really a Fergus.
All right, good.
Sounds fire, bro. That sounds good, though.
You're burning oil, bro. You're burning oil, bro. Yeah! Shitty ass Alright, guys, we got the exhaust on. We're about to give you guys some clips. I'm about to give you guys some clips of this shit. Sounds good. It's a deep tone. Oh, nigga. Jeez, it smells. guys, we're going to the crib right now, but we're about to give you guys some sound clips real quick. ISR, full exhaust, long tube headers. Let me catch up to this thing. So we're cutting up right now, guys. I don't know if I'm gonna make it, guys. Fuck! Tripping. Trying to get on the other side, guys. What are you gonna do, Brock? What are you blaming on? Blame it on, blame it on Sleeping Team, bro.
Man, we gotta get Dino TV, man. You don't know.
DriftTweakers. Fuck you, baby.